Andiki ba nteto ba kuma Meru na Tharaka Nithi baria bakaraga Nairobi ni bori tue kugwatanira na kugiana urumwe kenda kumbana ngugi neje na kinya gwikuria jaja batari-ini bamwe batongere bara barakinyite kigomano kia andiki nteto ba utuku bwegoro kiatho kiria kirari muchine munene wa Nairobi. Andiki nteto ba banarita Meru Journalist in Diaspora kana AJID ni bejete amwe na wirigiro ba gwikuria na njira ya kugwatanira. Anthony Kathenya na ripoti ija.
Nikile mambura maulugula bwa kiama kia andiki ba nteto kuma kaunti ya Meru na ile ya Tharaka Nithi andiki bala balutagira wira muji wa Nairobi. Kiatho giki kila kinyito ni atongoria bagi siasa na ringi biashara nkurani kuma kaunti ya Meru na ile ya Tharaka Nithi ini benkuma kuma kaunti ino Takarimi Bruno MC wa wadi ya Tharaka Muthengi Ndagara na ini bangi bakimatagia kiatho giki. Atongere bagi siasa na ringi biashara nkurani balabala kinyite mamburani mama ne balti andiki ba nteto to baraba Nairobi yake ndio na bale kaunti ino ingi gotigera benangwataniro na urume kenda gwikira kimbesa na gotigera ne bakwambira miradi minene ya kiguni kile mitulile yao mwenogu ni bakaditengwatanire ne andiki ba nteto ya AJID ile ya Meru Journalist in Diaspora nontu bongwataniro yao na kugabakathi na mbele.
My name is Mwenda Duranera, the CEO of MySpace Properties and the former aspirant of MP of Isiolo North. And I wish them well. I'll walk the journey with them, especially when it comes to investment. I am told they have ideas of investment. I will direct them in the right way and the right place to make their investment.
Muthoni, nominated MP UDA. Meru County is a very good meeting. It is an opportunity for them maybe even to think of their future together.
My name is Etile Naitole. I'm a professor of business management at Motumende University. Now, when you see educated people, because the journalists are thoroughly educated, deciding to do something for themselves, deciding not to rely on anyone, not to rely with the political class, because they are the ones who are perpetuating the poverty, manufacturing it really, then the country is moving in the right direction.
Thank you so much. My name is Alex Kembi. I'm the communications director at the Women Representative of Meru, Honorable Karambu Kailemia. And I would say this is a very noble idea where people come together, because someone said when you walk alone, you walk fast. But when you walk together, you go further.
So what I can tell these tribes who are gathered here in Safari Park tonight is that they should be united, and more so when it comes to the time when people look for leadership, they are supposed to help the common mwananchi, of course, to push the people who looks like they have substance that can bring change to the society.
Now, kagita gaka atongore bangwatanire ne AJID bakele ne banilitete andiki baba banteto kwa makuwe bakambila wala nelia na kariba kaunti ya Meru na ile Tharaka Nithi gwetokila road shows kenda kwinyelia kari kuyeba notumiri bwancho bija ibango amuna ndawa jakulebya.
Makadimo, the chairman of Meru Journalist in Diaspora. I believe the journalists are the kingmakers because we talk and we are the people who influence the society. Now, in the same voice, it is us now to believe and work together.
My name is Muthaura Njogu. I'm the Secretary General of this group. We are happy that we've started on a high note. And we are hoping, as you all know, that Waswahili husema umoja ni nguvu. We want to give ourselves that nguvu, and we have various visions of the things that we want to achieve.
Kwa majina naitwa Grace Mukiri Kusimba, Head of Radio Muga FM. Muga FM ni radio ambayo inatangaza kwa lugha ya Kimeru, lakini siku ya leo tuko hapa kama radio ama stesheni mbalimbali, stesheni nyingi sana ambazo zinatangazia kwa lugha ya Kimeru. Tunafurahia siku ya leo kwa sababu ni mwanzo mpya wa mambo mema mazuri ambayo itatuwezesha kama journalist ambao wako Nairobi tuweze kushirikiana na kufanya mambo makubwa zaidi pamoja.
Nani tamunino wa mwikaririete kirengwatanirene aji diandiki banteto bala be diaspora nenkuga thank you muno kiantu bara bonde bombeta kwijamwe na gutugwata mbaru kire safari ino tomba kwithira tukiambiria kuma muji munene Nairobi kiripotera Weru TV Beta Anthony Rangi wa Kathenya.